Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating iOS and making fast, high-impact changes. First, install the latest update because optimizations often improve battery efficiency. Once done, enable low-power mode to cut background tasks and animations. You'll feel the difference immediately. Next, go to Settings and disable Background App Refresh for apps that don't need live updates. This stops unnecessary wake-ups. Make sure Location Services is set to while using or never for most apps, which reduces Jeep. Now you refine settings and check the hardware. Reduce screen brightness. Use auto brightness or set manually around 40 to 50% because the display is the biggest power user. Switch to Wi-Fi when available and disable Bluetooth and personal hotspot when not in use. Radios are stealthy battery burners. Then open battery health. If maximum capacity is below 80%, the battery won't sustain peak performance and you should plan a replacement. Finally, enable optimized battery charging to slow wear over. Finish by changing habits and knowing how to recover from problems. You should force close or uninstall apps that spike background usage and restart the iPhone weekly to clear stuck processes. Make it a habit to enable low-power mode automatically when you hit 20% or on long days. This extends usable time significantly. If you still see unexplained drain, reset all settings first. If that fails, back up and restore the phone, which often clears software causes without hardware replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.